What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is your fourth stimulus check update. Today is April 16th. Let's get right to the very first article. National news: more plus up stimulus check payments are on the way to taxpayers this week, according to the IRS. I'm not allowed to play video, but as you see right here, Washington Post, the Internal Revenue Services announced nearly 2 million plus up stimulus check payments went out this week as part of the $1.9 trillion American Build Back Better plan. If you weren't aware, in my last video, I basically talked about Joe Biden 100% confirmed 2 more stimulus packages. In my last video, I went in detail and I talked about Joe Biden 100% confirming an additional 2 stimulus packages. And if you didn't watch my last video, I highly recommend you go watch it, because in that video, I go in detail and explain how Joe Biden 100% confirmed 2 more stimulus packages according to his Build Back Better plan. And in those packages, he plans to spend an additional $4 trillion. He did not go in detail and say whether he's going to include stimulus checks to Americans, to U.S. citizens, but he did say he wants to spend $400 million to, illegal immigrants, give them stimulus checks. Please comment below how you feel about this. In my personal opinion, I have nothing against immigrants. Me, myself, guys, I personally wasn't born here. My parents came here to escape communism, but as a child, I came here at 4 years old and I worked for everything I had. We came here legally. I have nothing against if somebody comes here, but you have to do it the right way. You have to come here legally. You have to have a social security number. You have to pay taxes. You have to have a job and contribute to society. That's my personal opinion. Comment below, let me know what you think. We'll get more in this article later. Plus up payments, there were 700,000 plus up payments worth $1.2 billion that were sent out to taxpayers. And then we have this article right here, Barron's, very reputable. The massive stimulus check package has been much larger than the New Deal. Here's how we stacks up. As we can see right here, government spending to keep the U.S. economy afloat, with all these stimulus checks, has officially been bigger than the New Deal. What does this mean? Basically, to quickly summarize, we spent over trillions of dollars, to stimulate the economy. It's obvious that a lot of money was needed, but a grand comparison to the New Deal by FDR shows exactly how expensive this is. $788 billion spent during the Great Depression, and we spent $4.2 trillion. And not only that, but most of the money went outside the country to non-U.S. citizens. What is up with, Biden sending money to people who aren't U.S. citizens? Absolutely ridiculous, but that's besides the point. We'll go more in this article later. And finally, fourth stimulus check update, a possible amount, according to my source, according to this article, right now, according to my source that works inside Senate, inside Congress, there is 100% legitimately some kind of possibility of including at least 1, if not 2 or more direct stimulus check packages, hopefully very soon. Now, am I saying it's 100% concrete and going to happen? Absolutely not. I'm saying it is a possibility, and allegedly it might happen very, very soon, within the next 2 weeks, starting, next Monday. But I'm not saying it's 100% going to happen. All I do on my channel is I upload daily videos. Every single day I upload minimum 1 video, if not 2 videos daily. And in every single video I give away free Amazon gift cards. If you want to enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway, which, if you didn't know, is a giveaway that I do in every single video, every single day I give away free Amazon gift cards. All you have to do to enter is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment the color green, just comment green or a green emoji. That will enter you in the giveaway. Let's pick a winner from the last video right now live. Red, congratulations, William Martin. Please email me. You are the winner. Email me at averagetuber@yahoo.com. Congratulations, William. It is that easy. If you want a chance to win, if you want to be a winner, if you want to win free Amazon gift card, all you have to do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment the word of the day, which is green or a green emoji. Now that we got that out the way, let's summarize. Basically, more plus up payments, an additional 4th stimulus check, and at least 1, if not 2 more potential allegedly stimulus check packages can be arriving very, very soon. Am I 100% saying it's going to happen? No. But according to my source that's worked inside Congress for almost 6 years, well over 5 years, they haven't been wrong once. Over 30 leaks, over 30 rumors, all come true. Right now, Democrats and Republican legislators and senators in Congress, both Democrats and Republicans, are meeting and negotiating and talking about a possibility of including 1, if not 2 or more, maybe even reoccurring stimulus checks in one of the 2 or both of the 2 stimulus packages that Biden 100% confirmed in my last video. If you didn't watch it, go back and watch it. And according to my source, allegedly they're actually fighting and negotiating, including 1 more, if not 2 more, $1,200 stimulus check packages. I'll keep you guys posted every single day, daily videos, daily giveaways. Please do me a favor. If you want to support me, all the money goes to charity. Hit this white join button. It only costs 99 cents, literally less than $1 to join and become a member. As a member, you get a bunch of cool perks, such as a diamond next to your name. You get members only exclusive emojis. You get members only exclusive community tab, a bunch of free content, pictures, videos, polls, live streams. In every single video, I interact with you guys. I answer you guys' questions. I just say hi. I talk to you. Members only. It only costs 99 cents. And if you prefer to use Patreon, I do have a Patreon link in the description. I also do have a clothing line brand. If you are interested, link will be in the description, or just store. Right here, I have a bunch of shirts. If you do want to support me, all the shirts are 100% cotton. All the shirts are $19.99. All the money goes to help someone else in need. Enter the giveaway. Hit that like, be subscribed, comment. That's it for today, everyone. Have a great day. Peace. Have a great day. Peace.